Hi friends, today I'm going to invite you to install this furniture with me. It's like a furniture that you can put in the corners of your house with some divisions for your things and with LED lights. So let's go install it and let me show you how it works. These are all the divisions and here are the LED lights. This is the charger for the LED lights. Came with these accessories. This other box in the inside. This is the user manual. This is the way that our furniture looks. So let's go try to install. As you can see, it's so easy to install. The lights are beautiful, of so many colors, and you just have to put it in the light, and that is all. So you can use it to put it in the corners of your house. So put some books or some decoration accessories of your home. So it's resistant. This part is metallic, and this is a high quality plastic. So you can put some things that high weights. Look at this. This is how my furniture see with the lights turned on. So I highly recommend this for any area of your home and for decorating your playroom or something like that. Buy yours and put that special touch in your house. See you.